Okay, we're doing a little hookup for the pump. So we're doing a temporary, got a little filter on it. Mickey Moused it, but true to our motto, it's ugly but it works. And we're doing heating up the hose a little bit. And you think it's heated up enough?
Looks like.
Okay, let's go ahead, try to get that on there, but don't forget the hose clamp. Having trouble? And the more you pull it, the tighter it gets. It works. I think it's playing. Is that playing? I don't know.
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget the hose clamp. Okay. Not big. I think it just catches. Okay, now that nylon will seat in there, so it's just temporary, non-pressurized. I'm trying to stretch out the hose. And let's just show the other one. We're trying to heat up the nylon. So we're using solar hot water to heat up the nylon. We got a frying pan in there to hold it down. Let's go outside and try to. Oh, you know what we got to do is heat up the other end. So we got to heat up the good pipe wrench from Home Depot for the nylon. And then we need one more hose clamp. Hope that works. Okay, that.
Okay.
So we're just doing a temporary little thing here. So, ow, hot. I'm not sure. Might need the maybe pause it and get the lineman. So we just used the modified lineman pliers a little bit to open up the nylon a bit. You can really pull up, you can really open that up really hard, that nylon. Okay, switch. I forgot to put the hose clamp on there. You know what else I forgot? I forgot to heat this up. Okay, where's the hose clamp? It's in my pocket. I think we lost the heat. Come on! 2 people are watching my YouTube video. I lost the heat. Okay, we gotta get okay. gonna come off? I guess we'll find out. It's a bit of a fight. I think we're gonna need a bigger. Oh, can you believe it? We need another hose clamp.